Is the dream of Minecraft story mode's return actually within reach? Or is it just wishful thinking fueled by recent hints? Let's dive in. First, remember Telltale Games went bankrupt, and their assets were bought by LCG Entertainment. This is crucial because LCG Entertainment now owns the rights to many Telltale properties, including Minecraft story mode. The biggest clue, recent buzz from Mojang themselves. They've been hinting at new narrative experiences coming to the Minecraft marketplace. Could this be a reimagining of story mode, or something entirely new but similar? We know that Minecraft has been expanding its storytelling beyond the core game. Think about the books, comics, and even the Minecraft Legends game. A narrative-driven DLC or a full-fledged sequel within the marketplace makes perfect sense. Online communities are buzzing. Fans are piecing together these breadcrumbs, pointing to potential licensing agreements and even rumors of developers being approached for a new project. Keep a close eye on official Minecraft channels and the Minecraft marketplace in the coming months. If something is happening, that's where it's going to be announced. Don't get your hopes too high, but definitely stay tuned. So, while a full resurrection of the original might be difficult due to past licensing issues with voice actors, a spiritual successor or a reimagining within the Minecraft marketplace is definitely a possibility. Only time will tell.